Dear students, today we are going to learn about exercise 4a problems, second bit, third problem. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents two straight lines such that the slope of one of line is twice the slope of the other, then prove that 8h square equal to 9ab. Solution: the given combined equation of the line is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Let pair of lines are represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. First one is y equal to m1x and second line is y equal to m2x. Already we have the results, and we have the result about sum of the slopes of these two lines, that is m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b, and product of the slopes of the lines is nothing but m1 m2 equal to m1 m2 equal to a by b. Given what is the condition given? The slope of one of line is twice the slope of other line. Then let given that m2 equal to 2m1. Therefore, by this sum m1, just you can substitute where m2 is, just you can substitute with 2m1. m1 plus 2m1 equal to minus 2h by b. m1 plus 2m1 is nothing but 3m1 equal to minus 2h by b. What is m1? Minus 2h by 3b. Product. Therefore, what is product? Already product is nothing but a by b. m1 m2 equal to a by b. You can substitute m2 with 2m1. Therefore, m1 into 2m1 equal to a by b. This is 2m1 square equal to a by b. m1 square equal to a by 2b. What is m1? From here m1 is nothing but what? Minus 2h by 3b whole square, m1 square equal to a by 2b, a by 2b. This is minus 2h whole square is nothing but 2h by minus 2h by 3b whole square is nothing but 4h square. 3b is nothing but 3b whole square is equal to 9b square, that equal to a by 2b. So 1b get cancelled, then this is cross multiplication, 2 into 4 8h square, that equal to this is 9b, so 9ab. So then proved. First bit, ninth problem. Find the centroid and the area of the triangle formed by the following lines. That first one, 2y square minus xy minus 6x square equal 0, and line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. So we should find the centroid of formed by these three lines of a triangle. Solution. This is O, this is A, this is the B. This is the centroid, and this is the line AB is nothing but x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Solution. Combined equation of OA and OB. OA and OB is what? 2y square minus xy minus 6x square equal what? 0. This is equation 1. Let, and equation of line, that is nothing but AB. Equation of AB is x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. From equation number 2 we can find y equal to minus of x plus 4. Then just you can substitute this value in equation number 1. Then equation 1 is 2 of y is nothing but minus of x plus 4 whole square minus x into y is nothing but minus of x plus 4 minus 6x square equal to 0. Simplify by simplifying 2 of x plus 4 whole square minus into minus plus x of x plus 4, this is minus 6x square equal to 0. X plus 4 whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square, x square plus 8x plus 16. This is x multiplied with x plus 4, x square plus 4x minus 6x square equal to what? 0. Multiply this one, 2x square 16x plus 32 plus x square plus 4x minus 6x square equal to 0. 2x square, this is 3x square, 2x square plus x is 3x square, minus 6x square is nothing but minus 3x square, plus 16x plus 4x is nothing but 20x, plus 32 equal to what? 0. So 3x square common minus 20x minus 32 equal to 0. So you can find the factors. Finding the factors of this quadratic equation: 3x square minus 12 minus plus get and find the factors. This is 24x plus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. So 32 is nothing but 96. 24 4 ja 96, and minus 24 plus 4 is nothing but 20x. 3x take common, x minus 8 plus 4 take common, x minus 8 equal to 0. So 3x plus 4 into x minus 8 equal to 0. So therefore 3x plus 4 equal to 0 and x minus 8 equal to 0. 3x plus 4 equal to 0 means 3x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 by 3, or x equal to 8. Case 1. What is case 1? If x equal to minus 4 by 3, therefore what is y? Y equal to, from here, minus of minus 4 by 3 plus 4, that is minus 4 plus 12 by 3 is nothing but minus 8 by 3. Therefore the coordinates of A is minus 4 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3. Let this is x1, this is y1. If case 2 what? If x equal to 8, then what is y? What is y? Therefore y equal to minus of x plus 8 is nothing but minus of x plus y equal to what? X plus 4 minus of x plus 4, 8 plus 4, that is nothing but minus 12. Y equal to what? Minus 12. Therefore coordinates of B is nothing but 8 comma minus 12. Let this is x2 and this is y2. x2 and y2. Therefore centroid G of triangle OAB. What is the formula centroid? Of course, origin, no, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Anyway, this is x3 is nothing but 0 comma 0, x3 comma y3. So origin 0 comma 0 is nothing but x3 comma y3. Then this is 0 minus 4 by 3 plus 8 by 3, 0 minus 8 by 3 minus 12 by 3. By simplifying, this is minus 4 plus 12 plus 24 is nothing but 20. 20 by 3 by 3 is nothing but 20 by 9. This is minus 8 minus 36 minus 44 by 3 by 3 is nothing but 3 3 is 9. So this is the centroid of triangle OAB. Therefore, what is area of triangle OAB? Already we had the formula 1 by 2 modulus x1 y2 minus x2 y1 that equal to 1 by 2 of x1 is nothing but minus 4 by 3, y2 is nothing but what, minus 12, x2 is nothing but minus 8 by 3 into y1 is nothing but what, 8. y1 is nothing but what, 8. So 1 by 2 of this is minus 36 minus 4. What is this? Is minus into minus plus 48, 12 4 is 48 by 3. This is minus into minus plus 8 8 is 64 plus 64 by 3 modulus 1 by 2 modulus LCM is the 3. 48 plus 64 is nothing but 112. Okay, 256 is 112. Therefore 56 by 3 square units is the area of triangle OAB. Third bit, first problem. Show that the lines represented by Lx plus My whole square minus 3 of Mx minus Ly whole square equal to 0 and Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 form an equilateral triangle with area n square by root 3 into L square plus m square. L square plus m square. Solution. X-axis, y-axis, pair of lines, this is the given line, Lx plus my plus n equal to what? 0. Of course, this is the pair of lines represented by Lx plus my whole square minus 3 of mx minus ly whole square. The lines B are, one is y equal to m1x and second line is y equal to m2x. This is angle 60 degrees because of forming a equilateral triangle and equilateral triangle. And I am drawing a perpendicular line from origin to the given line. That perpendicular distance is nothing but p. This is origin 0, 0. See, given combined equation, Lx plus my whole square minus 3 of mx minus ly whole square equal to 0. This is equation 1. Let equation 1 represents what? Represents two lines by y equal to m1x, y equal to what? Second line is y equal to m2x, and in that question, in that problem given, line Lx plus my plus n equal to what? 0. This is equation number 2. Let y equal to mx, that is equation number 3, be the any line that may be y equal to m1x or y equal to m2x line makes an angle 60 degrees with given line, that is equation number 2, Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. Slope, then slope of y equal to mx is m equal to what, y by x, that equal to m1, let, and slope of equation 2 is, that may be m2, this is m2, already we know minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is minus L by m here, minus L by m, and okay, and slope is nothing but m2 equal to minus L by m, m1 equal to y by x, theta equal to what, 60 degrees, let, is the angle between line 2 and line 2 and 3. Therefore tan 60 degrees equal to tan theta, formula what, angle between two lines, m1 minus m2 modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, that equal to, okay, tan 60 is nothing but what, okay, that equal to m1 is nothing but y by x, y by x, m2 is nothing but what, m2 minus L by m, that is minus of minus plus L by m by 1 plus y by x into L by m. So this is tan 60 is nothing but what, root 3, that equal to y by x, so LCM is nothing but what, mx, so Lx plus my by mx, this is mx minus, this is minus, of course, minus L by m, no, sorry, minus L by m, this is minus Ly by mx get cancelled, so root 3 equal to Lx plus my by mx minus Ly, mx and mx denominators are get cancelled, squaring on both sides we get squaring on both sides we get what we get, of course, squaring on both sides, cross multiply, then okay, root 3 whole square equal to Lx plus my by mx minus Ly whole square. 3 whole square is nothing but 3 square, 3 root and square get cancelled. This is lx plus my whole square by mx minus ly whole square. So cross multiply 3 of mx minus ly whole square equal to lx plus my whole square. That is lx plus my whole square minus 3 of mx minus ly whole square equal to 0. This is the given line only. This is the same as this is same line is line as given line. Therefore given line equation, therefore given lines forms an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Let P be the what? Perpendicular distance, of course length. P is the length of perpendicular distance from what origin to line 2. Therefore perpendicular distance formula P equal to modulus C by root of a square plus b square, that equal to, here C is nothing but n, lx plus my plus n, no, so constant is nothing but n here, modulus n by a is nothing but l square, b is nothing but m square. Already we know area of an equilateral triangle is perpendicular distance square by root 3. By this perpendicular P is nothing but what? Modulus n square by get square is nothing but root get cancelled, l square plus m square by root 3, that equal to n square by root 3 of l square plus m square. Square units is the area of the an equilateral triangle formed by the given lines. Third bit, second problem, of course same like above problem, but this is the application. Show that the straight lines represented by 3x square plus 48xy minus plus 23y square equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 13 equal to 0 form an equilateral triangle of area 13 by root 3 square units. Solution. These are x and y axis. Pair of lines. These two are pair of lines represented by the given equation 3x square plus 48xy plus 23y square equal to 0. This is given line that is 3x minus 2y plus 13 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 13 equal to 0. Of course, this is y equal to m1x. This may be y equal to m2x. This is the 60 degrees slit. This is 60 degrees. Of course, this is also 60 degrees. And drawing a perpendicular line to find the distance from origin to the given line. This is P. Okay. Now see the solution. Given combined equation 3x square plus 48xy plus 23y square equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Equation 1 represents what? Two lines, y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x lines, and given line that is 3x minus 2y plus 13 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Let y equal to mx be any line makes, of course this is this one, any line makes an angle 60 degrees with the given line is nothing but equation number 2. Therefore, slope of y equal to mx, that may be m1 equal to m equal to y by x. y by x. and slope of second line, slope of line 2. From here we will get m2 equal to minus x coefficient by and minus 3 by y coefficient, that is nothing but minus 2, that is nothing but 3 by 2. So what is m1? Here m1 is the slope of y equal to mx, and m2 is nothing but slope of given line 2. Theta equal to what? 60 degrees. Let is the angle between what? Angle between what? Y equal to mx and line 2. Y equal to mx and equation 2. Therefore already we know tan theta formula. Tan theta equal to angle between two lines. Tan theta equal to, with slopes what? m1 minus m2 by modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here theta is nothing but we are assuming that is 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees equal to what is m1? Y by x. What is m2? 3 by 2 by 1 plus m1 is nothing but y by x into 3 by 2, that equal to this is 2y minus 3x by 2x. This is 2x plus 3y by 2x. 2x get cancelled. So tan 60 equal to 2y minus 3x by 2x plus 3y. Tan 60 what? Root 3. Root 3 equal to modulus 2y minus 3x by 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y. Squaring both sides. Squaring on both sides. This is 3 root 3 whole square. This is 2y minus 3x whole square by 2x plus 3y whole square. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. 2y minus 3x whole square, 2x plus 3y whole square. Cross multiplication, 3 by 3 of 2x plus 3y whole square equal to 2y minus 3x whole square. So 3 of this is a plus b whole square, 4x square plus 9y square plus 2ab, 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12xy, that equal to a minus b whole square, 4y square plus by square is nothing but 9x square minus 2ab, 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12xy. So by simplifying this one, 12x square plus 9x square minus 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3x square. This is 27y square minus 4y square, what, 23y square. This is plus what, 23y square. This is 36xy. This is minus 12xy, get this side, plus 12xy. 36 plus 12 is nothing but 48xy equal to 0. Therefore the above equation or line is given line. Therefore given lines form an equilateral triangle. Let P is perpendicular distance from what, origin to given line, that is 2. Therefore P equal to modulus C by root of n a square plus b square. Here C is nothing but constant here given 13 in that line. Modulus 13 by a square is nothing coefficient of x square, that is 3 square, plus b is nothing but coefficient of y square minus 2 whole square, that equal to 13 by, this is 3 square 9 plus 4 root 13. This is root 13. Therefore area of an equilateral triangle is perpendicular distance square by root 3, that equal to root 13 by 13 whole square by root 3, that equal to 13 by root 3 square units. P square by root 3. P square is nothing but root 13. Rationalization, then you will get root 13. What is P value? So root 13 whole square by root 3. So 13 by root 3 is the area of an equilateral triangle formed by the given lines, square units. Thank you.